In this video, we're gonna learn how to add fractions with the same denominator. Let's try to create an example about this. So, what about 4 over 5 Sorry, so this is the denominator and this is the denominator. 4 over 5 plus 8 over 5. Alright, that's the same denominator, just 5, and we're gonna add this. So how can we add this? So in adding this is we're just gonna add the numerator, which is 4 and 8. So just gonna add this 4 plus 8 over 5. And this denominator, we're just gonna copy this. Rule number 1, add the numerator, and rule number 2 is copy the denominator. So step 1, add the denominator, and step 2 is copy the denominator. So 4 plus 8 is equals to 12 and over 5. And that's basically it. Add the numerator and copy the denominator, and you get the sum.